If you love bananas, then you're going to love this easy and delicious banana cake recipe. You'll need some banana puree. You can either mash it with a fork or use a food processor. You'll also need milk, canola oil, egg, and vanilla extract. The dry ingredients include flour, white sugar, baking soda, and salt. Grease your pan with butter or shortening, line it with a parchment round, and coat the pan with a baking spray with flour. In a bowl, whisk the flour, baking soda, and salt. Now sift the dry ingredients onto parchment paper or bowl. Combine the banana puree, milk, egg, and oil. This is where you can whisk the ingredients very well. Once the dry ingredients go in, you can't whisk as aggressively. Add the sugar, the vanilla extract, add your dry ingredients and mix with a scraper. Don't mix too aggressively, just fold the flour in until it disappears. Pour the batter into your pan or pans and place into a 350-degree preheated oven. Your cake is done when the toothpick inserted comes out clean or with a few crumbs. Allow the cake to cool for 15 minutes before inverting it back onto the rack. Now refrigerate the cake for a couple of hours before frosting. The link for the chocolate ganache recipe is located on the screen. You can whip the ganache if you prefer a stiffer consistency. Since this is an oil-based cake, it can be refrigerated, and in fact, you'll have a moisture crumb by the second day. Hope you enjoyed my banana cake recipe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.